Hi, I'm Gigi. Let's make something cute. So what I'm doing is using this Model 1's polish. What it is will be listed below. And I'm painting all 5 nails and adding a matte top coat. I did add a matte top coat to the other 2, but they didn't really need it because we're just going to put gems over there. Now using my alcohol inks, we're coming in and just making a mess. Honestly, just make a mess with this one. That's all you're looking for is some beautiful splodges of color. Is splodge a word? It is for me. There you go. It is for me. So we're splodging it on. We're just splodging. We're having a good time. I'm using early fall colors because at the beginning of fall there's still some green out there. And depending on where you live, if you have evergreens, there's always green. So green, I think, is an acceptable color year-round. Spring, perfect. Summer, perfect. Fall, perfect. Even winter, green for the evergreens. So I think green is acceptable year-round. It's one of those year-round colors. So now what we've got is that orangey color, the green color, and the yellow, and we're just having a great time, and I think it turned out perfect. It's exactly what I had pictured. Now using this white, we're just coming in and making sort of a moon shape, right? Sort of a partial circle. You don't have to think of it as a moon. I had that shape in my head. I thought, probably because when I was out last night, the moon was just gorgeous. And it's kind of closer to a half moon right now, but over the last few days when I'm out walking my dog, I've been watching, the progress of the moon getting bigger, and which is waxing, the waxing moon. Love the waxing and waning terms. And it just stuck with me. And then I saw a post the other day that was kind of similar to what I'm doing now, but it had a fox on it. I don't know who did it because whoever posted it did not add, the artist's name, so I don't know who did it, but they had it almost looked like a moon shape, but it went different, and it looked more like a ribbon shape, but I've been kind of had the moon stuck in my head, so I went with that shape instead. Now I'm taking my favorites, my favorite nail pigments, and these are the shiny ones, so they're probably mica, and I'm just burnishing that into the white to give us a nice golden moon, right? The moon I've been seeing lately has been bright yellow, so I didn't want to put more yellow because there's already a lot, so I decided gold would be our moon, our crescent moon. This is a very, very small crescent, so now I'm going to use some water decals on top of this. And we've got a little haunted house. We've got a kitty. And then we're going to use this tree with a spider web. And then we're going to come in with some top coat on this thumbnail. Sorry for the ums. Sorry. My brain is not snapping right now. We're going to put some top coat on the thumb and add a few gems to it in similar colors. We're going to go with the green and the gold. Bring it all together, and I'm going to do nearly the same setup on the pinky, but I'm not going to show you. I do want to apologize. This footage, wow, words. The footage on the back half of this video got a little blurry. I still, right there, I still do not 100% have the camera set up correct, but it's getting better every time. So bear with me. We will get there, you and I together. And because it's close-up detail work, I think sometimes every nail channel I watch, occasionally there's a little blurriness. So I'm going to work real hard to eliminate that to the best of my ability. So just bear with me. Why does this camera hate yellow? Why? If you have an answer to that, if you're a camera person, let me know what setting I need to use to fix that, because I don't understand why this camera hates yellow. It always gets that little pixelated quality. So this is the finished set. It's our first spooky set of the season, and it's our first fall set of the season. I have to say, really, really love them. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think below. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see you next week for more awesome goodness. Let me know any requests you have below, and thank you so much again. Bye-bye.